Today I'm taking a look at the PAUDIN Cimeter knife. So you can see this is made out of stainless steel. It is a hardness of 56. It's calling that degrees. I assume that it is Rockwell. And it says it is a pack of wood handle. I don't know what pack of wood is, but I can tell that it is a very nice looking handle. I also really like the pommel on it. You can see we got the engraving there on the end. And we can see that this is all one piece of metal right here. A lot of times they take a couple pieces of metal and they pinch it right here on the blade. This is made out of a single piece of steel. You can see that these are dished out, so it's going to help to release the food from the blade. And that is plenty sharp and sharpened all the way down to the edge. That does have a gentle curve up and a very nice point on it. Kind of amazingly, this actually balances fairly close to the handle. So it's going to make this feel a lot more comfortable in your hands while you're using it. I have reviewed some PAUDIN blades in the past. They are still sharp. They are still in use in my kitchen today. Right. As expected, this goes through like butter. Absolutely beautiful blade. So yeah, if you're looking at upgrading your kitchen, this is going to be an excellent blade for that.